Hello, welcome back to another video. So today, I want to look at my old pictures of my budgies to see that they have changed. Let's take a look. 1. Daisy. Daisy looks like fine, right? This is her now. You can see her feathers are off. But she is okay, she will grow some new feathers. 2. Mr. Cloud. Mr. Cloud is fine, right? His nose is going to change. This is him now. You can see that his nose changed. But he is okay. 3. Skittles. This is Skittles, but this is her now. You can see her nose change. 4. Mr. Green. This is Mr. Green, but this is him now. You can see his nose. That is all of the pictures. Bye.